Well, it's finally arrived. I got myself a Zilla kit, little 3.1.1, and going to step up the old beer brewing, all being well. So we'll start with, I think I'll start with this little box. So, a little trusty knife, just a little bit. Just enough to cut that tape. Alright, so let's have a look what we've got here first. Alright, so we've got the insides there, little docket. And a little jacket for it, so pretty excited about that. Alright, see what's next. Paddle. Alright, empty box. Little thermometer. A little soda stream adapter. Oh, this one I'm excited about. Pop spider. Alright, so we've got the old hop spider. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, nice. Hopper on. Alarm. Pretty excited about that. Alright, and we've got my little soda stream filling adapter. Got this one, so when I eventually start getting into a keg setup and gassing, I can refill some soda stream bottles as well. Alright, so we've got the thermometer. Oh, very nice. Cool, so there we go. It's on the back, temperature probe. Alright, that's pretty cool. Let's have a look at the next one. Excited for this one. Looks really nice. Looks great. Alright, that'll keep me out of trouble with that one. Alright, so let's get on to the next one. Alright, part 2 of the unboxing. Let's have a look at this. Have a look at what we got. And by the looks of that. Got our lid. Nice little arm there. Tap. Looking great. Looking great in there. Let's have a look. Just store that. Lifting that out. Tell you what, looks like it's been really well packaged. I'm really happy with this so far. Absolutely amazing. It's obviously been shipped down to Hobart, so it's done quite well. And very gently, just going to... There you go. A bit of luck. Gently take all that off. There you go, folks. So at this stage, probably important to say that this is something I wanted and that I've purchased with my own money, which makes this a non-sponsored video. Alright, so what have we got? The last part. It's a bit more heavier. A nice big one. So we get down to that table. Alright, time to unpack. Glad it was very well packaged. And with this, so far very impressive. I don't think I've ever had so much fun unboxing anything. Very score that one. Oh, nice. The goods looking really good. Alright. Well, folks, looks like we have it all unboxed. Alright, so here we are. We've managed to unbox the two boxes. And yeah, look, really happy with what we got. It was a purchase I've been wanting to make for quite a while. Yep, I'll just repeat, definitely not sponsored on this one. And this is a way I can extend my beer making. I've been brewing beer now for about a year, and finally decided it's time to upgrade a little bit and get some kit and get it all happening. So thanks for joining us on the unboxing today. Pretty happy with all my bits and pieces, and got to learn how to use it. Well, till next time, catch you later.